What is up guys, Tan at the side. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can connect or add any external payment method in Systeme.io. So first you need to head over to your Systeme's website and then you need to sign in, or you can just simply start for free now if you don't have an account. After signing in or logging in, on the right side at the top you will see your profile. Hover to that and then click on settings. After clicking on settings, here on the left side you need to click on payment gateways, and after clicking on payment gateways, here you have multiple payment options which you can connect to your Systeme.io. So let's say I want to connect my PayPal. I'll simply click on this connect, and after that a new window will open. Sorry guys, due to some issues, my PayPal was not working, so that's why I clicked on connect to Stripe, and after that, you just simply need to enter your email address and then you need to submit it, and then it will start connecting your Stripe account to your Systeme.io. After logging in with your email and password, you just simply need to enter a verification code from your authenticator app, which is your Stripe. So your Stripe is your authenticator app. Just simply go to Stripe and then your verification code will appear. Just simply enter that verification code to connect your Systeme.io with Stripe. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.